Are you home educating a child or teen who's interested in computers, technology, and how digital things are made? At Head Start Coding, we offer live online coding lessons for both complete beginners and more experienced learners in both small groups and one-to-one sessions. Through practical, hands-on projects, learners spend more time coding, creating, and experimenting while learning computer confidence, logical thinking, and problem-solving ability. We use our own online coding environment, which is designed specifically for remote learning. All learners need is either a computer or a laptop and an internet connection. There's no complicated software to install, and there's no specialist equipment needed. As students work, their tutor can see their progress live and offer the right level of support when they need it. That might mean offering advice during the call, revealing a helpful hint, demonstrating part of the solution, or even working alongside them directly in their code. This allows learners to experiment and solve problems independently, all while receiving tailored support from the same experienced DBS-checked tutor each week, who over time gets to know each learner and each of their needs. Students can create their own animations and games with Scratch using drag and drop blocks, write their own programs and retro-style games using Python, explore coding with electronics, or design their own websites using HTML and CSS. Our structured courses introduce new skills gradually, while giving learners regular opportunities to use and strengthen skills they have already learned. Each learner receives a live 45-minute guided lesson each week, alongside an independent challenge as homework, to help to strengthen and practice the skills they've learned in the lesson independently. And if they ever miss a lesson, sessions are recorded, so they can catch up in their own time. Give your child a practical, supported, and enjoyable way to learn coding with Head Start Coding. Visit our website and take our online quiz to find the ideal starting point for your child, and also book a free taster session to see whether our lessons are for you.